Hey, it's Rolly, and in this video I'm going to show you how I use the Google Mobile Friendly test in order to troubleshoot any indexing problems or a website might be having in Google in order to correct those. And so in order to get here, just go to Google and search for Mobile Friendly test. It's a tool for Google developers, and it's really easy to use. So just Google Mobile Friendly test or Google Mobile Friendly test, and this will pop up. That's actually just what I did right here, Google Mobile Friendly test. So that's how you find it. And then I'm going to pop in our sample URL here that I've been using for this whole series of videos, and we're going to see what it says about how this site's mobile friendly and see if that gives us any insight as to why there might be indexing issues with Google on this site. Google has said that mobile friendliness is a ranking factor if you're having trouble with your site indexing, particularly on mobile devices. This test will kind of give you some insights as to what's wrong or how to fix that. So I got my URL in there. I'm going to click Analyze, and it'll do its scanning thing here. It shouldn't take long. But yeah, it's very important for sites to be mobile friendly these days. If you're going to try to have the best site out there and rank best or properly index your site, you got to make sure that every page on the site is mobile friendly and loads fast on mobile, as well as is user friendly. So usability things are very easy for a user that's tapping on their cell phone. All right, and so the test finished there, and it says, awesome, this page is mobile friendly. Easy as that. And so there's really nothing we can do here. If it wasn't, it would say a lot different things. And so if you want to learn more, it gives you this guide here. It also gives something for your developer or designer to look through. There's certain things like pixel width in between buttons that's acceptable for mobile, and so those types of things will come up here. Let me pause the video and see if I can find a better example of a bad example. All right, so I just ran that same test on a family friend of mine's business. It's a mooring dock in Gig Harbor, Washington. It's actually really nice facilities there, but their website's just a little dated. I think they just haven't had a need to update it in a while, and so it serves its purpose for them, which is fine. So, but it's a great example for a non-mobile friendly website. In that the text is too small to read, the links are too close together, and the mobile viewport is not set, which basically just means the site is not responsive or doesn't scale down as the width of the window scales down like modern websites should these days. And so you can also use the other tool that I've talked about before, Google PageSpeed Insights, to figure out some other issues to do with this site on mobile and how fast it's maybe loading. So you get a little preview here. You can see it's kind of the pinch and zoom standard site where you have to, you can't see anything from up here, so you have to pinch and zoom in. But this is pretty cool. So Google just straight up tells you, how to go about taking the next steps to make it mobile friendly. And the point of this is that if your site isn't mobile friendly, then Google is not giving it the priority it needs. Therefore, it's not performing like you probably hope it would. So definitely do this. Definitely your site comes up like the last one I did, and then definitely look into these things as far as making it mobile friendly. And any designer, developer, or website company can figure that out these days and tell you more about that. So that's it. That's how I would use the mobile friendly testing tool by Google developers to troubleshoot indexing issues I might be having in Google, and also go with the steps that it recommends in order to correct those issues. Thanks for listening, and I hope that was helpful.